My name is Jeannie Lynch, and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my energy. You have just been referred to me, so you're getting this video. We are getting ready to either work together. You're going to have a healing with me. We're going to work together either in person or on Zoom, and I've suggested that you watch this prior to coming in. This is the video that I use to introduce myself, but also just to get you comfortable with what my work is, what my intention is, so that when you come in, we can get ready to work. So first off, let me just acknowledge, if you've never had an intuitive reading before, it can be somewhat scary to have someone you don't know looking at your energy. I want to acknowledge that. And even if you've had 100 readings, when you're an energy healer and you go back and forth to different healers, and it can still be a little scary to let someone else in, and it's a vulnerable place to be, right? Especially most people who are seeking clarity or seeking guidance are in a maybe a dark place. So I just want you to know I understand that. And I have been doing this work for 20 years. And like you, I went through my own period of transition and sought counsel with somebody who helped me through. In fact, my mentor, who helped me become the reader that I am today, was someone that I sought after when I was going through my hard place. So just want to acknowledge that. So our work together is going to be an hour and a half long. I do not charge for my sessions. We can talk about that when you come in. My biggest thing for you in watching this today is I want you to come in with a sense of what you're ready and wanting to work on. The best example I explain to people so that it makes sense is, imagine if you went to Barnes and Noble and you wanted to get a good book. If you walk through the door and I was to meet you at the door, the first question I would have for you is, what type of books do you like? You would say self-help, and I would direct you right up to the self-help section and you would be set, right? Same thing with doing a reading with me. You really kind of want to have a sense of what you're willing or wanting to work on prior to getting here. If you don't know, you're completely vague and you're wide open, there'll be information that will come through. It'll be vague and wide open and just as open as you are. So I say, and I suggest that you kind of come with a, maybe write some questions up and some intentions too. Be deliberate and your reading will be better. It's also important that you're comfortable with me. So what I ask people to do is to look at my YouTube channel. There is tons of different content out there. Pay attention to some of my videos. Get in. If you hate my message, you don't like what I'm saying, you don't line up with anything that gets said or you hear, cancel the reading. It's probably not going to be a good fit for either you or I if you don't line up with my intentions and what my message already is. Okay. So that's just respecting both of our time. Maybe the timing is just not now, but later. I understand that. When you get here too, I do a process I'd like to explain to you called conscious channeling. And what that means is I work with your guides and my guides. We work together. I go out to a place I like to consider close to the veil. I stand at the veil. I get information either through seeing, hearing, knowing, feeling. The information comes through. I gather it, and then I come back in the room and then we talk about it. So I call it conscious channeling because I'm out and back numerous times in a session. Does that make sense? I hope so. You won't find that written anywhere, as far as it's not a trained process. It's just the language that I have been able to give that process for myself. I started this beautiful helping people 20 years ago when I went through the loss of my daughter, and I spent a lot of time training and learning and connecting to source and helping other people through their process of grief and through transitions. This is truly my specialty, is helping somebody who's maybe in a really dark time, the forest through the trees, get them through that period and then get them on, right? So reading energy truly is the best definition I have for you in explaining this to you is that all I'm really doing is looking at all the math around you and explaining and giving your energy language. I heal through my words. I'm not going to put my hands on you. I'm going to give you information that is going to change your awareness, which is in turn going to change the way you're looking at things and open up those doors for your healing. It literally is energy work in the sense that drink plenty of water the day of our session and so on, and drink plenty of water after. It is like going for a massage. We are moving energy when we are doing this work together. So excited. Can't wait to work with you. This is the chair you'll be sitting in, or we're working on Zoom, which is fine. If you have any questions prior to our session together, please let me know. If you need to cancel, let me know. In the meantime, just get ready and be open, have a sense of what you want to work on. And it's no coincidence that we're working together, and I'm so excited that you trust me. And I can't wait to meet you. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe. It's the only thing I ask, that you become a subscriber to my YouTube channel. That's the cost of your session. Thanks again. Bye now.